Technology and information security, risks and prevention. Technology has transformed the way we live and work, providing us with new opportunities and improving our daily lives. However, with the rise of technology comes the risk of cyber threats and attacks, which can compromise our personal and professional information. In this article, we will explore the risks of technology and information security and discuss ways to prevent them. Overview of information security. Information security refers to the protection of information and systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Information security is critical in today's digital age, as more and more personal and professional information is stored and transmitted electronically. Information security includes a range of measures, such as encryption, firewalls, antivirus software, and access controls. Cyber threats and attacks. Cyber threats and attacks are a major risk to information security, and they come in many forms. Some of the most common cyber threats include phishing, malware, ransomware, and social engineering. Cyber threats can cause significant damage to individuals and businesses, including loss of data, financial loss, and damage to reputation. Prevention strategies. Preventing cyber threats and attacks requires a combination of technical and non-technical strategies. Some of the most effective prevention strategies include awareness and training. Educate employees and users on the risks of cyber threats and how to prevent them. This includes training on password management, phishing scams, and safe browsing. Up-to-date software. Keep all software, including operating systems and antivirus programs, up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Strong passwords. Encourage users to create strong and unique passwords for all accounts, and implement multi-factor authentication where possible. Access controls. Implement access controls, such as user permissions and restrictions, to limit access to sensitive information. Data backup and recovery. Regularly back up important data to a secure location, and establish a recovery plan in case of a cyber attack or data loss. Emerging technologies and risks. As technology continues to evolve, new risks and threats emerge. Some of the emerging technologies that pose a risk to information security include the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and cloud computing. These technologies can create new vulnerabilities and require new approaches to security and risk management. Mobile security. Mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, are increasingly used for personal and professional tasks, making them an attractive target for cybercriminals. Mobile security risks include malware, phishing scams, and unauthorized access to sensitive information. Prevention strategies for mobile security include using strong passwords, installing anti-malware software, and avoiding